If you want to get more organized for your school year and become a straight A student, then this video is for you. For easy navigation, I have divided the video into 5 parts: laptop or desktop organization, resource collection, weekly planning, daily planning, and notes set up. Check out the timestamps below to visit select areas based on your requirement. Let's begin with part 1, folders and desktop organization. Your desktop organization is extremely essential, as it will save you lots of time in the school year. I usually begin by making a folder with my academic year, let's say 11th grade. Next, I will put subjects inside this folder such as English, maths, science, and more. I like my desktop emptier, so I just make one folder. However, you can make these folders directly on desktop as well. Within these subject folders, you want to make subfolders of notes, reference notes. These are the notes that you get online or from a friend, assessments, worksheets, and online books. You can make further subfolders according to your need, but these are the most basic ones that you will require. Once this is all finished, you have a basic setup for school, and it just takes 10 minutes. This next part is for making your laptop aesthetic. Pick up a nice backdrop and see it up on your screen. I recently discovered Windows widget where I installed Widget Launcher and added clock, weather, currency converter. You can select from different functions and change the colors to match your theme. Once you're happy with it, you have your organized desktop ready for school. The next thing you should do before school starts is collect resources. I usually do this by looking up free online versions of textbooks and saving them into my folder. I usually use websites like Yes PDF, typing the name of the textbook, or Z Library. For IB or IGSCE students, Save My Exams is a wonderful website for exam papers and reference notes. There are many other such websites that you can explore. Comment below if you need further guidance for resources. As an IB student, I have various websites I can share. I also save a list of helpful websites onto a Word file to access later on. Next, I look for notes or resources online for my subject chapters and save them in the reference notes section. You can make this by opening a Word doc and pasting useful links of websites to refer to later. This third part is the most important part of the planning process. Getting your week organized is important when it comes to becoming a straight A student. For this, I have 3 website recommendations from which you can choose based on your convenience. The first way is the easiest way. Go on to Calendarpedia, go to monthly calendars, click on the month, and scroll down to template 1. I prefer this template because it has boxes where you can list your to-dos for each day. Here are glimpses of times I used this during my exams. This way was super helpful to ensure I was doing enough and not overdoing work. Once downloaded, this template opens on Word and includes boxes for every day of the month. This is perfect for planning your whole month and having a broad view of it. If you want to use a specific software, then you can try this second way, which is slightly more complicated. Install Milanote for your desktop through this link. This app shows this beautiful space where you can make boards. This is one of the boards I used that was a pre-made weekly planner. By dragging more to-do lists, I made this into a monthly planner. The first thing you do on Milanote is create a board. For this, drag a board, name it, open it, and select weekly plan. Next, click on Use this template. You can add tasks in the space below, enter to put another task, and clock on the box to check off a task. Once the task is checked off, it can be deleted as well. I like this app because it helps create vision boards as well. You can also create vision boards to inspire yourself for the new year, like this one I made here. You don't even need to download the software. You can use this application online as well. The last method is Notion. Notion is a bit more complicated, but very helpful if you figure it out. I usually use pre-made templates that I find from creators. You can look up templates based on your requirement online and edit them, instead of taking hours to create your own. You can also use Notion's inbuilt templates for this. Now, coming to daily planning, many times I use these as daily plans as well. However, you can also use Google Calendar if you want an hourly timetable. Time blocking on Google Calendar is very easy. Select the time you wish to do something and drag it to the end time. Click on this box to name the task you will be doing and add multiple tasks. You can change the colors according to subjects and different tasks. I usually color code my work as blue or green depending on the subject I am studying and use yellow for breaks. I recommend putting your breaks/essentials in before and then put work. This way you will plan more realistically. Time blocking your day on Google Calendar also helps see where your time goes. Another method is a basic to-do list. You can use simple sticky notes to write 3 important tasks that you wish to complete in a day and keep it on your desk. This method is simple, and crossing out the task will make you feel accomplished. If you're a creative person, you can also use bullet journals. I really enjoy creating these pages when I have the time and use inspiration from Pinterest. However, this process tends to take longer, and you have to keep creating pages. Hence, digital is a quicker, simpler procedure. Now, coming to the last part, notes setup. Before an academic year, I like to have a rough idea about whether I will make hard copy or soft copy notes. If hard copy, then buy your books beforehand to use. You can also use blank pages and store them in a folder. Otherwise, you can use Word or my favorite, Notion. I really like the toggle feature in Notion and have used it for various subjects. It's perfect for active recall and study revision. I usually put the syllabus components on the toggle. You can put questions there as well and the answers under. When revising for an exam, just ask yourself the question, recite it, and reveal the answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you've reached the end, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more organization tips. With back to school season, these tips will help adjust to the new year better and keep you on top of your schoolwork. Good luck with the new year.